Hello and welcome. My name is Nicholas. I'd like to show you a couple of things in the all new Mirror Bible app. So first, when you open the new Mirror Bible app, you'll find yourself in Luke and you can scroll down the text as you'd expect. To change the chapter, you just swipe left or right. So there's only one chapter or one extended notes in one page. If you want to go to another place in the Bible, you just tap here and you can go to one of the books that's already translated by Francois in the Mirror Bible. So for example, let's go to Acts. If you press and hold here, you go directly to the beginning of Acts, but you can also choose another book and let's say go to chapter 3 directly. So with the arrow, you go directly to chapter 3. If you press the name of the chapter, you'll scroll down to the verse selector and you can very quickly select a verse you want to go to. Also, if you click more on the right side of the address bar, you'll go directly down here and you can again quickly switch the verse. In here, you see also the extended chapters of the Mirror Bible, and you can easily go to any of those as well. So here we have the settings menu. You can choose the app language. If you happen to choose a language you're not familiar with, you can easily go back here and go back to a language you're familiar with. You also have display settings. You can change font and font size, and particularly for the mirror, you can choose if you want to have the Bible verses in bold and if you want to see verse notes at all. So if you go to a regular chapter, like here, now you don't see the verse notes, you see only the Bible text. And if you turn on again the verse notes, you see between the verses, there's the sometimes very comprehensive verse notes. Also, you can choose a couple of other things, whether to indent verse notes on very small screens. You might not want that. And also if you want to have them in upright font or not. Brightness, you usually will choose the same as the device. So if you're on a device with the dark or night mode, also the app will instantly switch to that as theme. There are more settings. You have color settings, but let me first show you how to choose a color. If you want to color a verse, for example, you click on the verse number here and you'll notice the whole verse gets underlined. That means it's selected. Then you can either go to the menu here or you can press and hold. It will open up the very exact same menu. Now here you have a color palette and you can say now the color for this verse 4 should be this one. You can also choose to have one word to color like this one. But you can also say you want to color the word God in the whole chapter or in the whole Bible using this color. And you'll see throughout the whole Bible the word God in this column. That also works for verse notes. So in this verse note, you can choose this column. If you want to remove a column, you just click here, go back to the color, and here you can say remove this column from the verse 5, and it's gone. So let's put one more color here. For example, this one. And then let's go to the color settings. So let's say this blue, I don't like it. I want to make it brighter. So we simply go to that color and scroll down a bit. And we can make it a lot brighter, like this. And you'll see instantly the color has changed. Also here, you can name the column. You can give it whatever name, and wherever you can choose a color, you'll see the name of this color. You also see where the color is used. So currently only one verse uses this color, and you can delete all the references to this color. In here, you can choose how bright or dark a color should be. Now, if you happen to go to Pitch Dark, you can come back here to white, or you can also choose some shade of gray or any other color you'd like. It's kind of cool to play around with this and check out the different colors you can have. Now, if you want to check all the places where a particular color is used, you go to this menu here. That's kind of the main mode of the app. So normally you're in the Bible mode, you read the Bible, but you can also search for things. And one of the things you can search for is colors. So you can choose to search for this color, and you find instantly the place where this color has been used. That's part one.